Hi, thanks for inquiring about the Kona. Ken, this is Vinny Wells at Tameron Hyundai. We're 1 mile north on Highway 31, 1 mile north of the Galleria. This Kona has a beautiful honeycomb grille, wraparound headlights with fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels. It has a blind spot detection as well as a rear view camera with blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic collision. Look at this beautiful interior. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel, 7-inch touchscreen with audio, which includes Google, Android, as well as Apple CarPlay. This beautiful red comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron Hyundai we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Ken, come see me here in Hoover. This is Vinny Wells, 334-313-7131. You're gonna love the way you're treated.